Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss how can I create polls or interactive content on YouTube. YouTube isn't just a platform to watch videos, it's also a great place to engage with your audience. One way to do this is by creating polls or interactive content which allows your viewers to get involved. It can be fun and helps you understand your audience better. Let's look at how to add polls and make your content more interactive on YouTube. Use YouTube's Community tab. The easiest way to create a poll is by using YouTube's Community tab. This feature is available to channels with more than 500 subscribers. How to create a poll. Step 1. Go to your YouTube channel. Step 2. Click on the Community tab, it's next to the Videos tab on your channel. Step 3. In the text box, click the poll option, it looks like a bar graph. Step 4. Type your question and add choices for viewers to vote on. Step 5. Once you're done, click Post. Now your poll will be visible to your subscribers, who can vote on it. Add polls in YouTube videos with cards. Another way to engage viewers is by adding a poll directly to your videos using cards. These pop up during the video, giving viewers a chance to vote while they're watching. How to add a poll in a video. Step 1. Upload your video or select an existing video from your YouTube studio. Step 2. In YouTube Studio, click on Content and find the video where you want to add the poll. Step 3. Click the Edit button next to the video, then select Cards. Step 4. Choose the point in the video where you want the poll to appear. Step 5. Select the poll option and type in your question and choices. Step 6. Save your changes. Your viewers will see the poll at the time you set, and they can vote without leaving the video. Polls aren't the only way to engage your audience. You can also ask questions or create challenges in your videos and encourage people to answer in the comments. Ideas to try: ask for opinions. At the end of your video, ask your viewers what they think about a topic and encourage them to leave their answers in the comments. Create a challenge. Challenge your audience to do something fun like share a story or answer a trivia question and comment below. Use hashtags. Encourage viewers to use a specific hashtag in their comments so you can track and respond to their posts easily. If you want even more direct interaction with your audience, try going live. YouTube Live allows you to chat with your viewers in real time, answer questions, and get instant feedback. How to start a live stream. Step 1. Go to YouTube and click the Create button, the camera icon with a plus sign. Step 2. Select Go Live and set up your live stream. Step 3. Once you're live, your viewers can use the chat to ask questions or share their thoughts. Step 4. Respond to them directly while you're streaming to create a more interactive experience. End screens are interactive elements you can add at the end of your video. You can encourage viewers to click on other videos, subscribe to your channel, or visit your website. How to add end screens. Step 1. In YouTube Studio, select a video where you want to add an end screen. Step 2. Click the End Screen tab. Step 3. Choose the elements you want to add, like another video, a subscribe button, or a link. Step 4. Save your changes. Final tips. Be creative. Think of fun ways to engage your audience, like creating quizzes, asking for suggestions, or holding giveaways. Keep it simple. Make it easy for your viewers to participate. The easier it is, the more likely they'll engage. Stay consistent. The more interactive content you create, the more connected your audience will feel. By using these tools, you can make your YouTube channel more interactive and fun, while building a stronger relationship with your audience.